Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Sacramento Valley Charter School, home of the Lions in West Sacramento, California. Beautiful day, hot day, but just full of kindness, full of love, full of passion. The main topic was on diversity. I got to address the K through 8 and the staff, the adults here at the school. Stayed for all the lunches with them as well so they could share their hearts with me post-program. But the main focus was on diversity, on our differences, but also the need for human kindness, right? Like the shirt says here, the peace sign that starts within the heart, that peace truly does begin within. And once we have that, then it's our duty, our obligation, our responsibility to go out into this world and really start to spread that. And we talked about the importance, in today's day and age of kindness, that we need to be kind to one another, that this planet truly needs it, and that it's so important because when we show that act of kindness, when we say the positive words or do the positive action, it's not just affecting the person or persons that we do it to, it's also going to have an impact on anybody else around that sees that act of kindness as well, right? That it could ultimately affect their heart, change them for the better, which is our goal. Is to continue to uplift humanity, to continue to show that unconditional love, to respect everybody, no matter their beliefs, their backgrounds, where they're from, how they're born, what's going on in their life, that we can still find that common ground, have that mutual respect, and look to not only appreciate the diversity and the differences on the outside, right? Skin color, background, how we dress, how we act and talk and everything else, but also what's within. So our gifts, our talents, our abilities, the things that we're good at, the things that we're not good at. And so the challenge that I left the students with today, and I want to leave you, the viewer, with this too, is to think about, what can we do, what can you do to start showing more kindness? And if you're willing to commit to showing at least one act of kindness to someone else every day going forward for this school year and beyond, please comment below and tell me exactly, be specific about what act of kindness you are going to start to do in your daily life. It could be something as simple as just choosing not to bully. It could be something as simple as kind of, walking the walk and talking the talk, that you start to really try to embody this kindness. I had a student that came up to me and just said, she's going to try to be more kind to her parents. And that was something that she really wants to focus on. And some other students said that they're not going to try to bully back when someone that's hurting starts to bully them. It could be just the littlest thing. And some of them, they really want to go out of their way and they want to meet someone new in a different grade, a different teacher, a different adult at their school, start to get out of their comfort zone, start to meet some other people, start to appreciate their diversity as well. So again, it was a beautiful day. Thank you so much, everyone here, for touching my heart. Don't forget to comment below about ways that you are going to show kindness, and if you choose, are going to fully commit to that commitment and pledge every day to show at least one kindness, one kind act every day going forward. And as always, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the link here. Check out my website as well for more information, and the playlist above that will pop up on the screen for some other amazing videos talking about my journey as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.